I'll try
Hiren,
to.
you all right?
Yeah, yeah.
We can start?
Yes, all right, we can start. I'm just meanwhile, when the second round starts, I'll try to switch the workstations.
Okay, you just finish off this round and then you can, because you're going first, then you
Yeah,
can change your device or whatever.
completely understand.
Okay,
Completely
so we'll start with our.
Mehlam, I'm
Yeah.
just saying, if you want to change the device, let him change the device, because during the question, if he is looking at multiple devices, then there's a problem, right? So if you whatever you want to do, let him do it.
Let us just finish this round. He's anyways occupied
Just
right now.
one round. I'm just switching off the
Okay.
workstations. Just one. So you can go ahead.
Okay, I am starting the round because we are short of time as well. We need to complete the quiz.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so Hiren, you're going first. The round one is where you connect two photos. There are two photos on the screen, one by one. You get 5 points for every right guess, and once you guess both the photos, you unlock your question, and if you get it right, you get 10 points. There are no negative markings. The question cannot be passed. Okay. And
Okay.
if you get chances for answering both the photos, uh, even if you do get the first one wrong and you get the second one correct, you still get points for the second one, but your question does not unlock. Okay.
Understood.
So your first photo will be on the screen now. Guess the player, please.
Yeah, Wasim Akram.
That's correct. Wasim Akram is the right answer. Can we have the second photo?
I finished mine.
Inzamam ul Haq.
Inzamam ul Haq is the right answer. You've unlocked your question. Your connecting question is, with connection to records, Wasim Akram, Inzamam ul Haq hold the joint record for most runs in ODIs for Pakistan. Sorry, most runouts in ODIs for Pakistan. B is they hold the joint record for most wins as captains for Pakistan. Or C, they hold the joint record for most ducks in ODIs for Pakistan. Your time starts now.
I'll go with B.
B, you go with both hold the joint record for most wins as captains for Pakistan is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is both hold the joint record for most runouts in ODIs for Pakistan.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
All right. So you get 10 points for guessing the right photos, but you couldn't answer the
No, that's okay.
unlocking question.
Got it.
That's okay. All right. Next is Adnan. Adnan, you ready?
Yeah. Am I clear?
Okay. Yeah, you're clear. You're clear. Your first question, your first picture will be on the screen now. There's a timer.
Mascarenhas. Dimitri
That's correct.
Mascarenhas.
Dimitri Mascarenhas is the right answer. And your second photo is on screen now. Your timer.
Shivam Dubey.
Shivam Dubey is the right answer. You've unlocked your question, and your question is, with connection to performances, both have hit 5 sixes in an over, both have conceded 5 sixes in an over, or both have scored 50 plus and
both
taken
have
5
conceded
wickets
5
on a
sixes
team.
and an over. B.
Sorry?
B. Both have conceded 5 sixes and an over.
Your answer B, both have conceded 5 sixes in an over, is incorrect. The correct answer is both have hit 5 sixes in an over.
Wow.
If you would remember the 2000 match where 2007 match,
He hit Yuvraj Singh. Yeah, right. Oh,
he hit Yuvraj Singh for 5 sixes in an over. Yes, that was a pretty memorable match.
Wow.
Robin Uthappa helped us to chase it down. Anyway, next is Chandu.
Yes, I'm audible, right?
Yes, you're audible. Chandu, the first photo is on screen now.
David Warner.
That's correct. David Warner is the right answer. And your second photo is?
Brendan McCullum.
That's correct. Brendan McCullum is the right answer. You've unlocked your question. And your question is, with connection to test matches, both have made their test debut in the same match, both have scored 300 plus score, or both hold the joint record for the fastest 100. And your time starts now.
Answer B, 300
B.
plus.
Both have scored 300 plus score is the right answer. Congratulations. You get 10 points for the question and 10 points for guessing the photos. Ravio, you're next. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Ravio. Your first photo will be on the screen any moment. Here.
Ajit Agarkar.
That's correct. Ajit Agarkar is the right answer. And your second photo is?
Chahal.
Correct. Yuzvendra Chahal.
Yuzvendra Chahal.
Correct. And your connecting question is, with connection to ODIs, both have taken a wicket on their first deliveries in ODIs. Both have scored equal number of ducks. Both have the exact same best bowling figures.
A. Both took a wicket in the first delivery of ODI.
The answer is incorrect. The correct question is both have the same exact best bowling figures, which is 6 for 42. And the trivia is that both have been taken it against Australia. So it's a pretty nice stat.
Thanks.
Okay, this brings us to the end of round one. Momo, can we have the scores, please?
1 second. I need to adjust this. The scores are Chandu at 20 and the rest are all at 10 points.
Okay, well done, Chandu. Others are not too far behind. A lot of room for catching up. So, all right, let's start with round two. Hiren, your devices is all right? Everything is fine?
Yeah, I'm just, I'm waiting, I think,
Now,
for me to be let in.
Let us just continue. Okay,
Yeah,
I
let's
can
continue.
hear you pretty well. So, I mean, all right.
So that's
Okay,
fine,
so
that's fine. So long as you can hear me, it's fine. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Okay, so this is round two where it's a topic-based question. You've done the randomizer. Everyone will select one topic from the screen and you get 10 marks for the right answer. There's no negative marking and there's a 10-second timer for each question. The total 4 questions.
Can you just declare the player sequence once again before the round starts?
Yes, Ravio will go first. Hiren goes second. Adnan is third and Chandu is fourth.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so Ravio, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have the topics on screen, please. You've got delivery, SFICC, sixes, captains, catches, and champions trophy.
Captains.
Captains, okay. And your question is, which captain has led his team to the most number of T20 internationals?
It's for India?
It's a general stat. Your time has already started.
2020. Virat Kohli?
Incorrect. The correct answer is MS Dhoni. He's led India in 72 T20 internationals, which is a record for any other captain till date. Second is Hiren. Hiren, please select your topic.
We'll go with catches.
Catches. Okay. And your question is, who has taken the most number of catches in T20 internationals? The time starts now.
Yeah. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is David Miller. He's taken 57 catches.
Wow.
Okay. Adnan, you're next. Please select your topic.
Sixes.
Sixes. Okay. And your question is, who holds the record for hitting maximum number of sixes in a T20 international match? Your time has started. You can just give me the name. That will be enough. We've got 5 seconds remaining.
Chris Gayle.
Chris Gayle is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Afghanistan batsman Hazratullah Zazai, hitting 16 sixes in a T20 international.
Strange.
Okay. Chandu, you're next. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. You can hear me as well, right?
Yes. Please select your topic.
I will pick the favorite one of mine, SFICC.
Amazing. It was like a match made in heaven. He wanted you to pick SFICC. Okay. So SFICC, your question is, who was the MVP in the State Cup 2.0?
Shit, I was there in the finals. Aqib Malik.
Aqib Malik is your answer. And the correct answer is Mohammad Russell. He was from Punjab and he contributed 124 in 9 matches. Tough luck.
I was just thinking about the
Uh,
finalist. Sorry.
Tough luck, tough luck. Momo, can we get the scores, please? This is the end of round 2.
The points are the same, Malam.
So nobody has troubled the score makers. You're making life too easy for Momo.
Thank you, guys.
Let's go ahead with the third round. The third round is the buzzer round, the most controversial round. So guys, two things to notice here is that if you say out, the only way you can answer is by saying out your name. Momo will adjourn who's gone first. He will call out your name and then you can say the answer. If you say the answer instead of your name first, you get a negative marking. There is no, you can't pass on the question. And if your name has been called out, you don't answer the question or you get it wrong, you still get -5 for that. And you get 10 marks for the right answer. There will be a timer for each question, which is 10 seconds. So make sure you answer well within time. Okay, can we go for the first question, please? Who is the only player to get out on 99 for obstructing the field? Time's up. Anyone wants to take a random guess? Well, the answer is already on screen. It's Ramiz Raja. Answers on the screen. Okay. QJ and me need to sync properly. Anyways, okay, let's go to question number 2. Who has the best bowling figures in ODIs on debut? Five seconds remaining.
Adnan,
Yes, Adnan.
Kagiso Rabada.
That's correct. Kagiso Rabada indeed has the best bowling figures. Do you have a guess? What was his stat?
I think he had 6 wickets.
That's correct. He took 6 for 16 in 8 overs versus Bangladesh. Well done. Good stat to remember. Okay. Round 3. Which team has featured in the most number of tied T20 matches?
Adnan.
Ravio.
Momo?
Adnan,
go for it.
20 matches.
Your timer has started. This is Adnan. Adnan is answering. You have 3 seconds remaining.
New Zealand.
New Zealand is the right answer. Well done. They've been part of 8 tied matches, which is the most by any team. Well done. You're playing by the nick of time, just before the time that ends. You come up with the answer.
I remember them having a lot of tied matches in ODIs, but yeah, T20.
It was a decent guess to take. I mean, New Zealand has those kind of. They're dubious with tied matches. Okay, question number 4, please. Which bowler has the record of taking the most 10-wicket hauls in Test matches?
Ravio.
Ravio,
go for
Anil
it.
Kumble.
Anil Kumble is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Mutaya Muralidharan. He's taken 22 10-wicket hauls in 133 matches. Did you think the answer? Did you think of 10 wickets in an innings or what?
In an innings.
You jumped the gun. I could see.
My bad.
That's what
you get negative markings for your bad though. Okay. Question number 5. Who is the highest run scorer for Bangladesh in ODIs?
Chandu.
We have only one entry here. Chandu? Yeah, go for it.
Tamim Iqbal.
Tamim Iqbal is the right answer. He scored over 7,000 runs in over 200 matches for Bangladesh. Recently been appointed as the captain as well.
Bangladesh.
Okay. Question number 6, please. Who was the man of the match in the very first T20 international played? Ricky Ponting, Brett Lee, Scott Styris, or Michael Clarke? Hiren. Yeah. Hiren, go for it.
Yeah, it would be Ricky Ponting, I guess.
Ricky Ponting is the right answer. It was a match between Australia and New Zealand in 2005. Well done.
Yeah.
Question number 7, please. Apart from Wasim Akram, who is the only bowler to take a hat-trick in ODIs and in test matches? Your options are
Ravio.
Brett Lee,
Chandu.
Ravio.
Ravio. Go ahead, Ravio.
Mohammad Sami.
Mohammad Sami is the right answer. Well done. Can we have the details on this? Yes, it was a Pakistan versus West Indies ODI match played in Sharjah, and he took a test match hat-trick versus Sri Lanka in Lahore. Well done. Question number 8, please.
Melam, is there any delay in what I'm saying? Probably. Okay.
No. We are going ahead. Who is the only spinner to take 100 plus wickets at a single ground?
Chandu.
Yes, Chandu. Go ahead.
Muralitharan.
Incorrect. The correct answer is
Hera Tayyib.
Shakib Al Hasan. Shakib Al Hasan has taken 112 wickets at the Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium. Okay, question number 9. Who holds the record for taking most number of catches by a non-wicket keeper in ODIs for India?
Chandu.
Yes, Chandu.
Rahul Dravid.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Mohammad Azharuddin. He's taken 156 matches in 334. 156 catches in 334 matches, and the next best is 140 by Sachin Tendulkar.
Probably test matches, I guess.
Okay, next and the last question for round 3, please. Which player holds the record for most number of Man of the Series awards in ODIs?
None.
Adnan.
Yes,
Go ahead.
Adnan. Your time has started.
Sachin Tendulkar.
How sure are you?
Tendulkar.
Okay, we'll go for it. Sachin Tendulkar is the right answer with 15 Man of the Series awards in 108 series. Well done, Adnan. Momo, can we have the scores, please, after end of round 3?
Scores are Adnan at 40, Chandu and Hiren on 20, and Ravio 15.
Okay, so good lead taken by Adnan here. But we have 3 more questions and 60 points on offer if everybody guesses it on the first guess. So still everyone's in the game. All right, guys, this is the start of round 4, where we will be identifying a player. 4 clues will be given for each question. If you get it right on the first clue, you get 20 points. Third clue, 15 points. Third clue, 10 points. And the fourth clue, you get 5 points. There is a negative marking of 5 points for every wrong answer. And the question can be passed. This is a buzzer round. So please speak out your name. If you hear 2 names, obviously the first one goes first. If it's a wrong answer, the person whose name we heard second will get the chance to answer.
Person can back out after the first answer is the wrong answer.
You can still answer it, but the second person, if anyone has called, has to say it incorrectly. Then you can come back again in the game. But you'll have to still say your name out.
For example, I called out first. I guessed something. It was the wrong answer. Ravio was supposed to say the same thing. So can he then say that I don't want to answer anything? Or will he still be marked negatively?
We will ask him if he wants to go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And you get 5 seconds. There's a 5 seconds timer. So make sure that you know the answer before speaking out the buzzer. Okay. Round 4. Question number 1. First clue, please. I am the only wicket keeper to score 3 double centuries.
Adnan.
Adnan.
We got Hiren first. Hiren, yes.
Who said first?
Sorry?
Adnan was first.
Kumar Sangakkara.
Oh wait, we go with Momo's thing because I think even I heard Hiren
Momo,
first.
it's Adnan. I said Adnan.
Adnan is first. Adnan, you guessed with Sangakkara, right?
Yeah.
That's the incorrect question. It is open to all of you if someone wants to guess. Go with the buzzer.
Chandu.
Yes, Chandu.
Adam Gilchrist.
Incorrect. It is still open to all of you if anyone wants to guess. With the buzzer. Okay, let's move on to the second clue, please.
Adnan and Chandu both get -5.
As a 19-year-old, I scored an unbeaten 56 against India in the 2007 World Cup.
Chandu, Mushfiqur Rahim.
Mushfiqur Rahim is the right answer. Well done. You get 15 points for guessing the answer, and you have a -5, which will get adjusted on. Okay, guys, just a request. Wait for me to call out your name to say the answer.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, question number 2, clue number 1. I have played 2 under-19 World Cups, finishing runner-up in 2006 and winning in 2008.
Ravio,
Chandu,
Ravio, go ahead, please.
Virat Kohli.
Incorrect. It's
Chandu?
still open to all of you.
Chandu,
Yes, Chandu.
Sarfaraz Khan.
Sarfaraz Khan is the incorrect answer. Let's move on to the second clue. As a 19-year-old, I made a significant contribution to Rajasthan Royals' title run in 2008.
Chandu,
Chandu, go ahead, please.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja is the right answer. Well done, Chandu. But again, you carry -5 from the first question and you get 15 points over here. But well done.
I will take it this way.
Okay. The last question of the night. Can we have the first clue, please? I have published a cookbook titled Barbecue with the Master. Clue number 2. I have taken the most wickets in
Chandu.
ODI World Cups.
Chandu,
Chandu.
Glenn
Chandu,
McGrath.
go for it. Glenn McGrath is the right answer. Well done. You've gone in and killed it in the last round. Well done, Chandu. Can we have the scores, please, Momo?
Sure. The final scores are Chandu at 55, Adnan on 35, Hiren 20, Ravio 10.
Okay, well done, guys. Chandu
Well played, Chandu. Well played.
came back very, very
Well
strong
played,
in the
Chandu.
last round.
Last over में सत्ता मार दिया.
Second and third स्किन में थोड़ा शांत गया चंदू, फिर लास्ट ओवर स्किन में उसने भेज दिया आकिब मलिक को.
जी और अक्किल वाली टीम है ना, ये क्या करने का.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
जी
ये
मारा, जी मारा
जी
सत्ता
ने
मारा.
मारे. अच्छा, -5 फिर बनते हैं ना, जी आया तो -5 भी बनते हैं ना.
दो बार आउट हुआ सत्ता मारते हुए.
ऐसे ही खेलते हैं.
Chalo guys, well done. All the other participants, yeah, hard luck. You guys were excellent tonight. Adnan Khamosi with excellent answers on the last second. That was something very, very interesting.
Instead of it, Dimitri Mascaras.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, all right. Well done. Good night. You can take it on to the banter on the groups. Okay, bye.
Cheers,
Thank
boys.
you. Cheers.
Cheers,
Good
boys.
night.
Thank you.
Take it. Bye.